Guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews on the hotel, or you can find the rest its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category will you can see on the screen details, size, review, amenities, facilities, and etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several fees and offers are available on this property along with various policy. If you are planning to book it, you can also through the link provided in the description. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, you have not subscribed our channel,